Morning friends, today I will teach you about the last part in reproduction in lower plants. In this last part, the different types of embryo, that is nuclear type, cellular type, allobial type. The first one is nuclear type. It is the most common type of endosperm. The primary endosperm nucleus undergoes pre-nuclear division for several times. Generally, the endosperm nucleus divides after the division of oospore or zygote. As the number of nuclei increases, the embryo sac increases. The number of nuclei along with cytoplasm are pushed towards the periphery and large vacuole is formed. In this case, the nucleus remains free indefinitely or wall formation takes place in later stage. Example, maize, wheat, rice, etc. Cellular type. In this type, the primary endosperm nucleus divides and each nuclear division is followed by regular cell formation, that is cytokinase. The next, the endosperm is cellular in mature from the beginning of endosperm formation. Because of wall formation, endosperm is divided into many chambers which may contain more than one nucleus. The plane of first wall formation is mostly transverse or sometimes vertical of oblique, example Annona, Dotra, Petunia. The last one is allobial type. It is the intermediate type of endosperm formation between the nuclear and cellular type. It shows feature of both nuclear and cellular type. The first division of primary endosperm nucleus takes place by transverse wall formation. Next, in micropylar chamber, pre-nuclear division takes place similar to nuclear type, followed by wall formation and develop rapidly. In Chalazal chamber, the nucleus may not divide or it divides few times only and develops slowly. It is common in order allobials, example coffee, nymphaea. Types of seeds. There are two types of seeds, endospermic and non-endospermic seeds. The first one is endospermic seed, the seed in which endosperm is partially absorbed by the developing embryo. Hence, in such mature seeds, endosperm is present. The seed in which endosperm is present in mature seed is called endospermic seed or albuminous seed. In these seeds, cotyledons are thin and papery. Example, jawar, maize, wheat, etc. Non-endospermic seed. The seed in which endosperm is completely absorbed by the developing embryo. Hence, in these seeds, endosperm is absent in mature seeds. The seed in which endosperm seed or exalbuminous seeds. In these seeds, cotyledons are thick and fleshy due to storage of food material. Example, gram, bean, groundnut. Pericarp may be dry or fleshy. When it is fleshy, it is differentiated into outer epicarp, middle mesocarp and inner endocarp. Then types of fruit. There are different types of fruits. First one is dry fruit. Pericarp is hard, dry and woody, example cotton. Fleshy fruit. Pericarp is thick and fleshy, example mango, lemon. True fruits. It develops only from ovary without any other floral parts, example mango. False fruit. It develops from ovary along with some other floral parts like thalamus, calyx, etc. Example, apple. That is, thalamus becomes thick, fleshy and cover the fruit completely. It is the main edible part of the fruit. Then simple fruit. It develops from single ovary, means simple or syncarpous ovary, example mango, cotton. Then aggregate fruits. It develops from polycarpillary, apocarpous pistil, example annona. Composite fruit. In this type, complete inflorescence develop into single fruit, example pine, apple. Then inflorescence. Inflorescence, arrangement of flower on the flowering axis, is called inflorescence. These are two main types, that is racemose and cymose type. In racemose, flowering axis is of unlimited growth. Flowers are arranged in acropetal succession or centripetal manner. There are following types: racemose inflorescence, that is raceme, spike, spidex, catene, umbel, and head or capitulum. Then cymose. Flowering axis is of limited growth. Flowers are arranged in basipetal succession or centrifugal manner. Subtypes are uniparous, biparous, and multiparous. Explain the following terms. Some terms are there. First one is bract. It is a small leaf-like structure present at the base of flower. When it is present, flower is called bracteole flower. Example, gulmohar, sunflower. When it is absent, flower is called bracteate flower. Example, dhotra. Bracteoles, bract-like structure present between bract and calyx. In China rose, circle of bracteoles called epicalyx is present. Bract and bracteoles protect the flower in bud condition. Then trimerous flower. Floral parts are 3 or multiple of 3. Example, monocot flowers. Pentamerous flower. Floral parts are 5 or multiple of 5. Example, dicot flowers. Tetramerous flower. Floral parts are 4 or multiple of 5. Example, mustard. Thank you. Here we completed the chapter reproduction in lower plants. Then study the new videos and new chapter. You watching my videos. Thank you. Like it, share it, and subscribe it.